least. Okay. Let me check because I have to go on YouTube Studio. So if anybody is in this bitch, please give me a sec. You know, I'll check the YouTube Studio because it doesn't pop up until I go on YouTube Studio. And then from there, I get to see it. Is it analytics? No, it's not analytics. It's fucking view live room. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Let me just check it out in here too. Live. This would be it. What? Let's switch account to this. Okay, first one. W's, man. I'm literally just watching this so I could see if it's working. All right, there you go. It's good. It's working. Okay, because I don't know how to check if my stream is on or not. So, all right, now we go live on TikTok. All right, what's up, crazy guy? What's going on? How's it going? How's it going, yo? Go on Discord. Let me just make my announcement, guys. Give me 1 sec and then we'll get everything started. All right. Live now. Boom. YouTube. And then TikTok. How can I do this? How can you trade? Simple, man. Open an account with TradingView and start paper trading and then get the skill set to actually learn how to trade. And then from there, go ahead and start trading on a prop firm account because it's cheap and it's easily accessible. After that, you can go ahead and start trading on your, account, get payouts, etc. All right. So, welcome in everybody. We are on M&Q right now at the moment, but we are going to pivot towards GC to see what GC is doing. Okay. Crazy pump off the rip on gold. Let me get rid of yesterday's trade. Let's focus on today's trade. So 15 minutes is looking a little interesting. 30 minutes is also coming towards an end. So a little interesting price action. Levels are very, very cool to play around with today, but yeah. Let's see. New channel? No, same channel, same exact channel, no differences. Same guys, if you guys are on TikTok, you guys want to see, I have it on YouTube right now, extremely low latency and pretty much very, very quick. You guys get to see the levels. The link is in my bio. Subscribe, helps out a ton. And yeah, I'm on YouTube. There is 31 people watching. Welcome in, guys. Hey T, your mic is low. I should go ahead and raise it, and now it should be a lot louder. Pop it open a little bit higher, actually. Give me a sec. All right, should be better now. I'm gonna need you to lock in, please. I'm already locked in, man. Is that you, mentor of ZZ? Yes, I did mentor ZZ. That's better? Yeah. Turbo T with Turbo D. W. What? You took the trade and you booked 2,500? Post that shit on Discord. What? Actually? Bro, I'm so disappointed that I ended up getting stopped out break even for it to fucking insanely reject and dump down. Man, it's so disappointing. But yeah, that's better. WW. Long or short in queue at the moment. I'm just kind of watching. This is the time for the great lock-in. Yeah, let's see what we can find on gold. Kind of like 30 minutes to market open right now, so we just gotta wait a little bit. The 15 is bearish, so I do want to see some kind of retracement. Are we at a supply level? Yeah, we are. We indeed are. So we kind of have a 5-minute inside at the moment. I would want it to break a 2 down. That'd be awesome, but we'll have to see. So the break of the 2 down would be right here. And if it does break that 2 down, then I would like to get in on shorts. I mean, stop loss can go down here. Probably because we don't have the craziest levels to play off of, I'll probably target a 1 to 1.5. So it just depends. And then maybe I'll take an earlier entry right here, a little bit of a riskier entry, so that I could have my stops tighter. So about 4-point stop for a nice 1 to 2. That's potentially an option, but we'll have to see. Just because the 15 is weak, we'll have to see how it wants to play off of it. So I'll go ahead and set limit sells over here for 3 contracts. I kind of want to market it instead. Yeah, I want to market fill it instead. All right. At the moment, we have a 1 minute inside. As far as right now, it's still inside. If it breaks the 2 down, I am in. If this 1 minute inside breaks the 2 down, I am in for shorts. So far, breaking a 2 up, we are towards the supply right here, so I don't want to go longs just yet until we break past this level. Then I would look at it as more of a retracement, push back up. But at the current moment right now, where we're currently standing right now, I just want to kind of wait and see how price does in this, and then I'll decide after that. Are you on micros? No, I'm on minis. I'm on GC, not MGC. $78.4 is a level that we want to break. Can't see the chart? Please go on the YouTube. You guys get to see it in there. I'm long in gold from what Zizi said earlier. Look at the 30 minutes on gold. I did see that, obviously, but just because, I mean, I'm seeing a nice supply zone right here. I'm looking for a small scalp. I would say longs overnight would be a valid position. I'm just currently waiting right now to see what price wants to do. As we are not breaking high a day, we're kind of just chopping around. How's the 5 minute looking? 5 minute is closing inside so far. 15 is currently inside as well. A new 30. Do we see that push of a 2 down to come down to these lows? Potentially there. Okay, we have another 1 minute inside. I'm looking for an actionable signal to take entries to shorts. So if this breaks the 2 down, I'm in for shorts. 79.2. So break 79.2, I will enter in shorts, have my stops right above this zone. About a 3-point stop. Don't full port? No, I would never do such a thing, man. You crazy, bro. Me full porting, that's like insane work. So far, no actionable signals for us to take shorts. Just waiting for now. It's pretty much just a 5 minute supply zone that I marked out, and that's it. Turbo trades, yes sir. Why is Zizi not live? He is currently doing something. We have 65 people watching on YouTube. Drop a like, guys. Leave comments. Ask me questions on YouTube. I'm not going to be paying too much attention to TikTok live. I'll be paying attention a lot more on YouTube. So if you guys want to navigate there, go there. I mean, because of just how toxic TikTok is, I'll be giving you guys more attention. How's easy? Bank 11K. Bro, he took overnight position on gold. I think he alerted it on the Discord, if I'm not mistaken. He did alert it on Discord. I'm not sure if he, called it out when he got stopped out or not, but yeah. How many contracts are you going to take? I'm probably going to take 3 contracts shorts. Why are you trading CL? Well, this is not CL. This is gold. Oh. Why don't you do this stream in Discord pit too? There is 10-second delay. So Discord, again, Discord is for New York. That's why I trade Discord. Obviously for New York session only. And that's why I have it here on YouTube. Hopefully it's less of a delay because I put the latency extremely low. I fixed my Wi-Fi. I fixed my Wi-Fi finally. I don't get a congratulations. No? No? I don't? Alright, I don't. You're still laggy? What the fuck? No, I'm not. You're lying. I am not lagging. About time, Kevin Hart. Crazy work. What's the reasons for trading Asia session gold, but not sure about it yet? Really moves a lot better during Asia than it does for New York. If you were really about this life, you would do a money spread right now. I mean, I don't got that kind of motion, bro. If 10 people comment thumbs up, I'll do a money spread. So where's ZZ? ZZ will be live soon. Creamy Nabo. Oh, damn. Okay. Damn. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Fine. 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 Money spread it is. All right. Cool. Cool. Money spread it is. Alright, we'll do it. I don't know how to do money spreads, yo. So y'all gotta like help me out here. Alright, y'all ready? Boom. Alright, I don't know how the fuck is this good? Yeah. Alright. We're locked in. Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna take shorts off of here. So stops will go above that zone. We're kind of showing weakness already to it. So that too. And then I do want to target these lows. I mean, I'll target just a $2,000 profit on this. So just about here is fine. Just to take out these lows. Move screen, bro. Oh shit, my bad. I'll go break even right here. Nailed it. Thumbs up. Yeah, I don't know how to do it, but yeah. Yeah, I guess I did look into some YouTube tutorials on how to do money spreads, and they said to just shake it. So I was like, all right, I'll just do this. And then, you know, type shit. Oh shit, is that demo money? Yeah, it's paper money, bro. It's fake money. It's prop money. It's not real. None of what I do is real. All right, Gold. I'm gonna need you to give me a good rejection here. I'm gonna need a good rejection because the buying pressure is not as aggressive as we once had it. Let me get rid of this show stats. Always turn that off real quick. But basically the idea behind this trade, it's a riskier entry obviously, but the reason for that is 5-minute supply zone. We tapped into it kind of showing that weakness immediately. Every single time we tap into it, it's an immediate rejection. We have the mother bar after this inside bar pretty much where we are rejecting that as well. If we do break past this, then maybe we can get a nice pump up. But at the current moment right now where we're currently standing, I do want to see gold come down a little bit. So that's the idea behind the trade. Where's TP? Take profit is sitting at 3670 here. I'll just go ahead and do this real quick. I hope that helps. Just like that, I guess that helps. Well, so I'm looking for just about a 1 to 2.7 RR on this position. Nothing crazy, but we'll have to see. I'll go break even just about here. Nice rejections here on gold. Yeah, we just need a nice follow through on the dump. We want nice follow through as an aggressive push down. That's the idea. We have 116 people watching on YouTube, yo. Drop a follow, subscribe if you're new, like up the stream, guys. You know, happy to see you all here. Great trade, yes, sir. We're still in it, so let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be a little patient. Let's see how the trade plays out. As far as right now, we are dumping on gold, and I'm liking it. Gold is dumpy. I mean, we could get a low day break. Do I want to hold it towards low day? To be honest, no. I'm already up on another account, $400 across 2 accounts. I'm already up 800 right now for the day immediately. So I don't want to take on too much risk, I guess you could say. So let's just see how it does towards these lows, and I'll go ahead and, you know, potentially secure it there. Nice, bro. Yes, sir. Whereas a sell at, it is sitting at 3682.2. That's where I want to stop out. And then for take profit, it's at 3673.1. So, yeah. I'm looking for a small scalp down. I tried to move my camera to the left side. It doesn't let me on YouTube. OBS is kind of doing a little bit of a mess for me. So I'm going to have to use another platform like Streamlabs maybe, so that way I can move my camera to the left-hand side. But not right now. I'm just getting adjusted, getting everything sorted. So not today, maybe another day. I got you. I got you. Yeah. This is GC or micro? This is GC. This is gold. We have 600 people watching, guys. Welcome in, everybody. Drop a follow if you're new. Tap the like screen. Let's get to 20K likes on the live. Easy work. 15 is inside. Yeah. Just a little bit concerning, but I'm looking for a tiny scalp. I want to say about what? 70, 67 ticks. Move down. Nothing crazy. My stops is 24 ticks, so I'm not expecting the craziest move again. Don't be risking a lot on positions that we take during Asia. So, yeah. Requesting a payout from Alpha. I'm dropping a YouTube video about that, guys, tonight, maybe. Tonight, hopefully, we get to request the payout and go get a nice pump. We're up about 10 ticks right now. What's your profit on the day? So far, 800. I have secured on Alpha, but nothing on Top Step yet. So we'll have to see what we can secure on the Top Step. How tall are you, bro? I'm 5'1", yo. I'm 5'1", yo. Just saying, bro. Look, I'm literally sitting down with my feet on there, you know? On a good day, I'm like, you know, type stuff. If I sleep on the right hand side of the bed, then I'm like maybe 5'2", and then if I sleep on the left hand side, then you know. Total profit yesterday, bro. $2,000 or $3,000 total profit yesterday. Oh, with Alpha, so $4,000 yesterday. Yeah, I'm about like 6, 7. Do the numbers on the screen look blurry for anyone else? Maybe. What the fuck, 5'1"? I'm just joking, yo. But if they do look a little blurry, then yeah. On your money, like 6, 7. Yeah, basically, that's the idea. Yo, gold. I don't see you pushing up, man. There's no reason. I mean, other than the 15-2 up, there's no reason for you to push up, so. And the 15 is pretty fucking bearish twice, not just once now. So it would be nice for you to kind of break that low and give us that nice dumpy dump. So take profit might get edged actually from the way that it's looking. We may get edged, but that's fine. We ain't tripping. ZZ not live. Yes, I understand. Z is currently busy right now doing something, so he'll be live soon. He'll be live soon. This chat is way more chill. Yeah, YouTube chat is a little bit calmer, you know, and less toxic than TikTok. But yeah. What's your win rate, average RR? So year-round, 50% win rate with average RR about a 1 to 2. That's like what I like to target. That's what I like to go for. But that's just year-round, right? And then sometimes I'll have like low win rate months. Obviously, I'm a human, so I have that. And then I have lower win rate weeks. Sometimes I'll have high win rate weeks with multiple times I'm taking 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, right? And that happens, but yeah. Any tips for someone who just blew a funded? Don't buy the $500 reset. That's the biggest tip I could give you, bro. Don't fucking pay for that $500 reset. But It's fine. Blown accounts is completely fine. It happens to all of us. Just sit down and journal what happened. Why did you end up blowing your account? And that's it. As in, like, figure out the mistakes that you did or the stuff that caused you to end up blowing your account. What did you do? What was your risk management all over the place? What were you doing that caused you to blow that account, right? What model do you use? I trade V-shapes. So essentially what I look for is a push up, push down, and that is considered a V for me. That's the V shape that I technically look for. I'll look for a retracement into that V shape, push back down. So when we have supply demand zones, right, I also include that with them. So supply and demand zones pretty much, and then a V shape. And then I'll look for a reclaim, push back up to push down even lower. So we have a 5-minute supply, pretty much looking for a push down here. Doesn't work all the time, but it does. All right, so, and I mix that using the strat. So if you look at the strat, for example, it's just fail 2 ups, fail 2 downs. That's the way I look at it, right? Just a question, how come you trade on so much? No, hey, just a remarkable trader, love your risk management. Thank you. Just, you know, really like to trade. I mean, this is my full-time income, so I do have to trade pretty much majority of the time. I'm on the charts. So even if I'm not on live on TikTok or on YouTube, then I'm pretty much on Discord alerting trades that I take. That's like 90% of the time I'm alerting trades. For the people that are on Discord, then they would know, like, oh damn, he just alerted a trade. Oh, well, he just alerted a trade, you know, etc. Yeah, it's kind of annoying how choppy it is, but it is what it is. Are you going to journal after unintentionally full porting and blowing your account? No, I would never do such a thing, man. That's just crazy work, bro. Like, you should never do that kind of stuff. That kind of stuff is crazy, bro. People that do that, like, blow accounts because they're about to go on payouts and stuff, bro. You guys are wild, man. Never do that kind of stuff. It's bad. It's bad for them. It's kind of hot in here. Give me a second. Turn on the fan. What's a sell? Stop loss is at 3682.2 for me. If we kind of push out of this supply, then I'll look for a retracement to push back up longs. So that's the only reason I'm bearish right now, is just because of supply. But if we basically knife through this supply zone, then I will look for a retracement and a push up. Sub dude, what's going on? We have 700 people watching on TikTok. Drop a like, guys. Follow if you're new. Welcome in, everybody. Where is Z tonight? He'll be live soon. Why trade Asia though? Because I love Asia. It's slow, it's trendy, and it's good. Mod me, I want to ban a spawn. They don't ban them. I'll mod you, but don't ban them. Leave them. Waiting for ZZ. Cool. Yeah, he'll be on soon. He'll be on soon. All right, we're getting that push up here on gold. Kind of broke the 15-2 up. Really see it bearish, man. But I mean, if it breaks that 2 up and it continues to push up, then oh well. Kind of if it breaks past this 5-minute supply, then at that point I'll look for a reversal. So I'll look for a push down and then a push right back up. That's the idea. But I'm giving this at a try to kind of continue that pushing down. So far, it's kind of refusing to do that, but we'll have to just wait and see. Do we get a break off of high day again? This is high day, by the way, for the ones that don't know. For the ones that don't know, now you know. This is high day right here. Would you recommend getting in here or wait for a price action? I mean, I would say this is a riskier trade, so I wouldn't rush an entry, or I wouldn't chase a entry. I would just pretty much wait for the next position, to be honest. Because if it breaks out of the supply, then that invalidates the move. You coach? No, not necessarily coach, but we have a Discord where we go live and teach how we trade on there. That's the way we go about it. But yeah, we don't necessarily like sit down and coach you, and yeah, because yeah. I just hope that it's not choppy like yesterday on gold, because it was a little choppy yesterday and it was kind of annoying. But yeah, I just hope it's not as choppy as it was yesterday. Got the same desk, amazing, bro. Yeah, from IKEA. Just bought the countertop. My notebook here. Let me move that away. Yeah, cooking people's accounts on trade on Asia. Jaden, nobody's forcing them to take a position. No one is putting a gun to your head and saying take a position, right? People will take positions at their own free will, bro. Nobody's forcing nobody to take positions. Yeah. Will you be taking other trades if this doesn't hit? Yeah, I mean, I'll be taking a trade regardless, even if this does hit. So even if it trends up to like literally edge my sell and then come back down to TP, then I will still take a look on the trade probably. I have a goal for the day, probably 3,000. I'll step away. Either a $3,000 losing day or a $3,000 winning day. But every single time I copy you, I lose. Then don't copy, man. That's probably why you're the bad luck. Did you swing trade that last night? No. I took just one trade on during New York. I alerted it in the Discord. Booked about a 1 to 3 RR on that, and then let runners run and then stop out and profits on those. But I booked 3,200 on that. Posted it on Discord again. ZZ is long. I mean, yeah, I see the 15-minute pushing 2 up. Wouldn't be a bad idea. Hey Z. Oh, you here? Hi. Let me unmute you from the live. That way they could hear you. All right, there you go. Again, back to break even. If you guys want to exit, feel free to exit. Personally, holding. Holy 1 minute candle. What the fuck? Stop copy trading current. It's crazy. Turbo, did you take gold last night? No, I took it. It was an amazing move. 1:30 a.m. I took it. Nah, I didn't take gold, to be honest. I should have, but I didn't. I did not take gold last night. I was going to take it, but it was just chopping in the same place. I did call out longs multiple times. Just didn't work out the best. So I was like, yeah, I'll just step away. We'll see a test of all-time highs. I mean, yeah, if we get an all-time highs test break, I mean, we could see if we get a push up there, damn, that would be a place I don't want to trade. It was at all-night gold to NYC. Yeah, man, it was up. It was moving up, bro. It was moving up insane. But sad that it just stopped me out and moved that way. I was like, all right, whatever.
It takes a bit of time. It just depends from person to another person. Every person is different. It takes a bit of time.
We're just currently waiting right now. Waiting, just watching. Boring and slow price action so far. Dude trades hopes and dreams. Yeah, man. Absolutely. You know, God, please bless this trade. Have y'all seen those guys on Instagram? God, please bless this trade and make this trade hit full TP if you can. This trade is going to pay for my rent, my groceries, my McChicken with 2 hot fries and a lemonade Sprite. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have y'all seen those guys? Lemonade Sprite. Have y'all seen those guys?
I went full after 6 months after my first payout.
God, please hit this trade to $2,700, $2,000 in profit. Bless. Amen. Come on, guys. Everybody comment amen. Yo, y'all better comment amen. What the fuck? All right, hold on. All right, ready? Whenever I'm done praying this time, okay? God, Please, please bless this trade. Hit full TP and secure us a payout on Top Step X, the platform, the one that makes us get money. God, if you don't hit TP, then I will not be able to afford another funded account, meaning my gambling habits will never work again. I like to gamble, and that's bad stuff to do. Uh, don't full port because it's bad for the health. Amen. Leave it to the bathroom. Right back.
I got to this stuff, yeah. I don't know what Broski is saying, honestly. I don't know what the fuck he's saying. I'm not associated with anything he says.
Alright, I am back. What the fuck, Gold? Alright, we back. Guys, we have 600 people watching. Go drop a subscribe to the YouTube channel, and link is in my bio for that. It's pretty easy, quick, it would help a lot. I'm going to be doing 2 combine giveaways for all of you guys. 2 more praying? Okay, I'll pray some more here in a sec. I'll pray some more. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more contract to my position. I really do like this a little bit more now for a trade down to these lows. I do like the way that this is kind of moving. Just wanting to follow through right now. That's it. So I just want the follow through to push these lows. Be nice. Kind of chopping around in this range a lot, so giving me that, hey, we are obviously weak. And yeah, I have my stop loss still the same level, but would love to secure it here at these lows. So risking about 960 on this position. Same stop loss, no differences. For a TP at the lows at 3673.4. That's where take profit has moved up to me, which is just basically these lows right here. It's rejecting, yeah. Shit's working. I'm telling you, bro. Hopes and prayers, bro. Hopes and prayers. All right. No, I'm not clip farming, bro. Yo, the next clipping challenge is going to be literally like $2 per 1,000 views. It's going to be insane. Probably one of the highest paying ones out there, the WAP. All right, well, we get that fucking push up like that. That's going to be concerning. All right, well, we get a push up like that. That's concerning. Okay. We get a push like that. That's definitely concerning, yo. With that weakness, yeah, that's definitely concerning. Oh, it's 8 p.m. Oh, shit. Yeah, fuck. Okay, well, that's fine. It is what it is. Still same stop loss, not moving it. Don't want to see a break of high day, man. Do we actually break high day again? Generally speaking, with all this 15-minute bearish sentiment right here that we have, we're going to break the Okay, let's see. I mean, yeah, if it breaks this to the top side, then we are bullish to come up for all-time highs again, to retest the all-time highs. It's just interesting, but interesting level that we're in right now so far. Yeah, that's interesting. Call them sentiments? Nah, we don't take fair value gaps. We do not take fair value gaps. You know, the candles that scare me the most are these. The ones that fucking move the whole entire camera. The whole entire page will be moving. Those are the ones that are genuinely scary. But insane 5-minute, honestly. Crazy 5. So if we break out of this, then yeah, I would do want to get stopped out. Alright, almost at SL. Edging stop loss right now so far. But I prayed. Alright, that's gonna stop us right here. Let's stop out, yeah. So, no McChicken for me tonight, so far. No McChicken for me. Nah, no chicken shawarma yet. Since we kind of broke out of the supply, then I'll look for a retracement to push back up. But really was interested in this pushing down from here. But I guess not. That's not going to happen. So we'll wait for a all-time high test. Maybe get a push down from there. We'll just have to wait and see. See, this is why I don't look at the TikTok comments, just because of how much hateful there is. I'm not gonna look at them. Because I've never seen people that never got used to taking a loss before. That's how you know a lot of people are like not so familiar with the market, you would say. Like they don't know much about what the fuck to trade because they haven't experienced it enough to get losses, etc. So yeah, it is what it is. McChicken, no shawarma. Ayan for you. No shawarma. Not yet. Not with me taking losses, nah. Yeah, that's why I'm not paying too much attention to it, bro. I'm more focused on the YouTube right now. I know the ones that are on YouTube are the ones that are actually like trying to give good feedback, etc. And the ones on TikTok are just throwing hate. So I'm like, alright, ignore it. There's a lot too much rage bait. Gold better not stop fucking pushing down now. Crash out. Sometimes I take the SL and retake the same position when it represents itself. Yeah, basically. That's the way I kind of look at it, right? That's the way that I look at it. So if I basically get stopped out, rather lose the certain amount that I have as stop loss, instead of holding onto the position, just kind of moving up my sells, even though I see still the bearish retracement, just in case I'm wrong, right? Obviously. But even though like it stopped me out, maybe pushing back down now, it could potentially push to these lows again. I would rather look for a re-entry than just, you know, not take sell. I would rather take stop loss. Insanely bearish right now though so far. Not finna sleep till I hit 1K, you're crazy. Wow, gold. I wouldn't want to do that. Like, again, that kind of goes against my rules, David. Just because if I'm moving it to a certain level, I'm like, okay, well, my stop is here at 0.2, so it's just about here, right here. And if I move it a little bit higher, yes, I mean, I could definitely see it kind of creating that wick and then pushing back down. But I'm not going to hold that, to be honest. I'd rather just look for a re-entry instead. Yeah, but I would rather look for a bullish retracement right now. So since we're overall just bullish, I'll probably try it out to the all-time highs, which is right here. That's the next level. Since we kind of don't have any more supplies that we're going to be at or going towards, I would look for it to kind of push up to the all-time highs, potentially. But I'll wait for an entry. Yeah, you could see it pushing down to here. That's, if you're still in it, David, pushing down to here would be nice. So a push down to here would be very nice. And then from there, you could see that bullish bounce back up. So just know that. See how the other people that say, go longs, go longs. I mean, you're catching a freaking 3-point move and you're talking. Holy. That's why you're not profitable. Damn, that's crazy. Why would you see? Yeah. That's crazy, but it is what it is. I'm not going to like force entries yet. I'm pretty much going to wait until we tap into here. And then from there, we'll look for a bounce back up. At the moment, just waiting. All right. Okay, cool. Nah, I won't chase it, bro. We just literally let it go. It's not meant for you, then it's not meant for you. It's okay. There's always another position to take, and there's just no point of you chasing it. The moment you chase it, yeah, you're gonna see some crazy shit that's gonna happen to your account. I would rather just take a step back, wait for a little bit, wait for a better entry, wait for another entry, another position. That's it. I'm not really worried about it. Oh wait. What the fuck is that? 15? Let me see. What the hell? Crazy work on the 15, to be honest. Yeah, that's crazy on the 15, to be honest. So, yeah, the moment you chase, you get stuck in a stop loss loop. You get a stop loss after a stop loss. Instead of focusing on just the setup that you take, you just get stop losses after stop losses. So if we get retracement here, I'll look to I would want to try out longs, but we would have to get a nice retracement first. If we don't, then oh well. I can't chase it again. I can't chase it. If it doesn't give me an entry, then it just doesn't give me an entry. Equal lows on the 5. Yeah. Potential entry there, maybe. Oh, okay, sleepy. It's about to dump. Yeah, maybe. I'm waiting for that. I'm not in. I hope you know that this is just literally a projection tool, right? I'm not in this position. Let me see. How's NQ moving? Is it any better? No. It's just chopped. Oh wait, no. Okay. It does not even want to give us an entry. Yeah. Oh well. Z is shorts. That's good. I am just waiting. Man, this is just fucking going to rip up to all-time highs. I just can't chase it. Like, there wasn't enough pullback for me to fucking take this, but yeah. It is what it is. Do a collab with 9. I'll do a collab with 6, 7. Yeah, I reached my 3K today for Top Step, but I haven't gotten funded. How much do I have to make to pass it? Again, 3K. Check the consistency rule, depending on how much you made. Kai said he want. I don't even know who the fuck Kai is. So I'm okay, thank you. How come you didn't enter? There was no entry for me to take. Made 3K instantly, so I gotta trade now more. That's just stupid. Why would you make 3,000? That's just like actually. Oh man, please read the rules before you open an account. Like, you cannot be that dumb. I'm sorry, but you please read the rules for the accounts that you open. It literally tells you the Holy. Please, guys, if you guys are gonna open accounts and trade, please lock the fuck in. Please read the rules. Read what it's telling you. Read what it says on in front of you. Right? It literally says everything in front of you that you need. Don't open an account unless you know the rules for that account, right? And here's the push for the all-time highs. All right, well, I guess that's just not meant for me. That's just not meant for me. Oh well. The fact that Top Step barely has any rules. That's what I'm saying. Like, Top Step literally has one rule. Top Step has one rule. Don't blow the account. Or that's it. That's pretty much it. That's the only rule that Top Step has. So how can you fuck that up? So is the supply zone still valid? No. Do you put any products in your hair? No, I don't really use any products. I just have this. That's why I have like a little bit of, say, lighter hair. But yeah. We should push up to the all-time highs. From there, I'll look for a retracement. But at the moment, I just can't chase it. So yeah. I'm sorry, I just can't chase it. It's the move is pretty much gonna happen without me. There's the push. Well. Oh well. Yeah, it is what it is. Can't chase it. I mean, if you made it today, you just take over for I lost 1,400 on the first day on Top Step. Will I be okay? Damn, man, that's crazy. That's just insane. Now that gold is pushing up the all-time highs during Asia, it is a little bit concerning, but just know that it's a little bit concerning. So yeah, worth holding. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we're creating a new high here. So blue 2 accounts today. Damn, dude, what the fuck? Now I took profits on one account, which is this account right here. Pretty much for the day for me. Booked 400 across 2, and then here's the calendar for that too. Pretty much just winning days across all 5 winning days, and I'm gonna request a nice payout on 2 accounts. It's gonna be fun. Request your payouts. Don't fucking wait for prop firms to do whatever. Request your payouts the moment you're able to request that payout. Get that motherfucking payout and get out, yo. I mean, if I was to take profits on longs, I would take it at the all-time highs. All right, we have this right here, a shooter. Immediate retracement right there, so. Yeah. What if we don't access the computer if trading on our phone? Okay, what do you need to be careful for? You can, yeah, you can trade. If you're on a live account, you can get daily payouts. Would you recommend taking payouts yourself? Honestly, get the payout as soon as you can, man. The moment you're able to request a payout, especially if you're not consistent. Just take a payout, bro. Don't. I've seen so many people that are like, oh yeah, no, you know, I'm gonna hold onto this account and I'm gonna keep building my buffer, and they go on one big spiral and they end up losing the whole account. So in my opinion, like the moment you're able to request a payout, take your money, walk away with at least some kind of profit that you made from the account, especially if you're a beginner, and that's it. Keep in mind that prop firm trading, statistically speaking, you are better off going for a lower R multiple trades and higher win rate. So just know that. Why so angry? Just leave him, man. They can be angry all they want. Alright. Alrighty. So let's get this closed. I mean, if we get a little bit of a push up, I would love to try out shorts on GC. Just because we have that V shape right here. This is a V shape basically. Just a shooter, hammer. That's what a V shape is. It's simple as that, right? I'll look for a move down. Yeah. All-time highs trading, I mean, broke all-time highs during Asia. Could potentially range for the rest of the day up or just get that ping pong price action that we had last night. And that's what I'm kind of looking forward to. But yeah. Did you miss entry for shorts? I was going to try it off of here, but there's just moved so quick I couldn't get in. So, oh well. I'm not going to chase it yet. I know it's good for shorts right here. Like, this is a nice setup for shorts. I think Z would probably take this. Z would probably take this position right here. Put a stop somewhere right here and take it to the downside. Probably targeting these lows. I wouldn't be surprised if Z's in shorts. He is? Okay, yeah, see. I wouldn't be surprised because it's a good setup for shorts. Z did short actually? Wait, what? Hold on. Z actually did go shorts. Z did actually go shorts. Z's in shorts. What the fuck? Oh shit. I didn't even know that, but alright, that's cool. Alcohol is not good for the health. You're right. I'm not surprised. Again, it's a valid setup for shorts, but I'm not going to trust it yet, to be honest. I'm going to have to wait. Good quality, though. Like 5 is beautiful. 15 would look amazing if we close like this for a move down. Potentially even to these lows. But would I want to take it at the moment? I'm just going to have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. But it would be beautiful for a shorts play here to push down to these lows potentially, and then stops right above all-time highs. About a 5-point stop to push down to these lows. Not the worst idea, to be honest. Just saying. But yeah, just gonna have to wait and see. I'm not in a rush to get into a trade.
Yep.
I'm not in a rush. Yo, you actually took shorts. I fucking called that. I was like, he's gonna take shorts right here.
Off that 1 minute shooter.
Yeah, I knew it.
The 5 minutes been for a minute right now. So.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take it, not yet.
Yeah, it's still risky though for us to just pull back and to continue that direction. And obviously just edging my break even here, of course.
Did you ever try out TPT after 2K buffer request daily? I haven't, but I do want to try them. But every time I try to open their accounts with Take Profit Trader, it doesn't let me. It tells me to reset password. Z, have you tried TPT before? Z? I don't think he's in here. ZZ. Did he go on deafen? Probably went on deafen, didn't he? Yeah, he did. Let me see. Let me ask him. Yeah, he went on deafen. I copy trade all 5 TPT Pro accounts and request daily payouts. That's actually awesome. That's actually really cool. You ever use Tradeify? Yes. Yeah, I still have 50k Tradeify accounts. They're goated. I also use Alpha. Alpha's been something that I'm enjoying trading on. Make me mod so I can take care of the trolls. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm letting them, you know, hang out. They're good. I ain't gonna crash out. It's okay.
What?
Yo, did you ever try out TPT?
No.
No? No? Interesting.
Literally back at break even, insane, man.
That's why I said, I mean, I'm not gonna trust it.
I just wanted a pullback. It's not even enough for a fucking pullback here, bro. I did want to go longs, but this is not enough pullback for me. This 30-minute is closing here. Fuck. This might break to the top side, then short again. Yes, I lost my XFA, guys. Yes, I did.
If you see your setup.
Yes. I did.
I've also lost a lot of XFAs, guys. Man, sometimes just the market conditions, stuff happens and you end up losing an express, and it's just, you know, like tragic. You know, when stuff happens and, you know, you end up losing an XFA, and yeah, man, sad world.
How did you lose them? Guys.
They know you cap it. No. Top step. I'm not. I'm genuinely serious. Like, sorry. Yasin, though, he make 40k payout? Yeah. Yeah, you could request, like, Yasin went live. Yasin is goated. He went live. BJR trades. Just back. Wait, I think I know you from somewhere. Wait, what? DJR trades? Where the fuck have I seen you? Wait, hold on. What? DJR trades. Where the fuck have I seen this guy? I've seen you somewhere. I don't know. TJR, nah, his DJR is crazy. Welcome into YouTube, guys. Drop a like, follow if you're new. That's why I was like, I've seen you somewhere. I've seen you before, but I just don't remember where. All right, we have 30 more minutes for the new hourly. Not the craziest close on the 15, so I'll wait for now. I'm just gonna have to wait, guys. We can get that bearish replace downtrend right now, but do I want to even take it? Because on the next position, I do want to size in a little bit, just a little bit on the dot. Just go for a 1 to 2. So maybe here I'd like to try out shorts, but see the 5. Yeah, the 5 doesn't look bad. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try out shorts here. This will be my last position. So stops will be, oh shit, that's a little bit too heavy actually. If I went back. All right, 990 right here. So stops will be right above this high that we just kind of initially made, and then take profit will be all the way down to these lows. I want us to kind of come down to these lows. Wouldn't be a bad idea. Just because we're having that pullback, so we had the V-shape push down, right? And then I'm getting a pullback, and I want us to continue pushing down right now. That's the idea, but again, my last position for the day. Risky, 1000% risky, I'd say. Only reason I didn't want to try it here is because pretty much only one confluence. But here we have a little bit of a better trade. So we have that V-shape pullback to continue. That's the idea. So if we kind of fail that, we push up, then I'll close up and just take my 2K losing day and walk away. Your ticker is off screen. It's GC. I trade gold. It is GC. I trade gold. So if we break high day again, then I do want to get out, and that's it. I'll just take that. But I do want to see a push down, pretty much to this supply, honestly. But am I going to hold all the way there? Yeah, we could. We could. I don't mind that. We could hold to this demand, sorry. We could hold to this demand. What's TP we can't see? That's TP right there. Here. $74 is where I want to target. 74 is where I want to target, guys. 74 is where I want to target. But again, riskier position, so just know that. If you're taking this, we have a 5-minute inside as well. If we do break that 2 down, then it'd be nice for a push down. So I'll probably insert another contract and then just move my stops a little bit lower. To risking about 1,000 only on this position, that's the max. If we don't, if we break it 2 up, then, I mean, oh, we did. Yeah, seeing that you're shorting, yeah. 60, not 65. I'm shorting at right now where we're at pretty much. If we break high day again, then I'm out. I'll close up for the day. What?
Really?
What? Did it stop you?
I said I'm doing a giveaway and I get suspended for fraud?
Oh wow.
Because I explained how I'm gonna do the giveaway?
That's crazy. I'm about to get Z got banned. ZZ's banned. He's banned. He's banned. He's restricted for a little bit. Give him a sec. He's suspended.
I'm not doing a giveaway. I'm not doing a giveaway. Fuck that. I'm not doing a giveaway. No. You guys are done. That's it, bro.
W human.
I'm not doing no shit, bro. No.
W human.
Fuck that.
So, did you appeal it?
This is what happens when I try to do good.
Don't do
when I
good.
try to do good, this is what happens.
You got restricted or banned? What happened?
I got suspended.
Oh, okay. Then just appeal it. You should be fine. Just appeal it. He'll be okay. He'll be back on. Give him like 5 minutes, guys. He'll be back on. Now, if we break high day again, then we're pretty much just going to keep knifing through high day for the rest of the night. So I wouldn't want to take any other positions. Pretty much will be 2 losing trades for me. So I will not take any more positions. But at the current moment where we're at right now, I'm just waiting. Yeah. I have my stops literally a tick above high of day. So break that one more time. I'm okay. I'm out.
TikTok. Work your magic quickly. We had 900 people watching, dude. Are you serious, man?
It's
Oh,
crazy.
TikTok, bro. At
That's
least, did they at least
crazy.
come to you? Yeah, they
Yeah,
said,
yeah, there's a lot of people in here.
so
Come in, guys. Go drop a follow on YouTube for everybody that's in here. Helps out a ton. Again, I'll be giving away 2 combines once I hit 1K. Subscribers on YouTube will be a combine right away on the spot as soon as I hit 1K. So if you guys get me there today, then guess what? Today will be the giveaway. Where he TP? Z, where's your take profit?
uh, 6-7.
6767. 6767 is crazy.
6-7, basically.
6767. Damn, my guy, what are you targeting?
What do you mean?
What?
What?
Okay. 6767 is insane.
Man, come on, tick tick. Tick tick, come on.
Six seven is insane work. Yeah, if we break high a day again, then I don't want to trade this for the rest of the day because it's gonna pretty much find support at a certain level, and it's just gonna keep giving that fucking knife up of us breaking high then and pushing back down. It's gonna just start doing this. Like it finds support at this level, let's just say for example, and it's just gonna knife up, come down, knife up, come down. It's just gonna be annoying as hell. I don't want to trade that. I'm not good at trading that. So if it breaks high day one more time, then I'm pretty much done for the day. I'll take the loss and then I'll just step away. Probably come back in tomorrow during PM or something. Does it break it? Oh, we're at 835. Guys, we can hit that. We can hit 1K today. No more Mondays. Yeah. What product is this? What the hell do you mean? What product is this? All right, does it break high day again?
Oh, my TikTok live. I'm giving it a sec.
I literally have it at tick above. If it breaks high day, I'm out.
I'm waiting for it.
Not every day is a day trade. Depending on the model you follow, man. Depending on the system that you follow. So you can't just say that. If you trade a specific model and it doesn't show up every single day, then that's just your model and that's it. That doesn't mean everybody else has to trade that same way. Right? For me, for example, like literally I could see every fucking day, every session I could see a setup. Every session I could see a setup. So
They on me, bro. Everybody on me today. Everybody on me today.
yeah, TikTok doesn't like you, bro. TikTok does not like you, Z.
Party on a Sunday. Do it all again on Monday.
What, we just start praying, bro? Yo, have you guys not seen losses before? You guys don't take losses? Like, don't believe that humans take losses? Alright, moving forward, no losses for me. That's it. It's gonna be just profits after profits. Bro, relax. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay.
They asked me what the method is of how I'm gonna do it, and I explained it. I'm like, yes, yes.
Oh, don't explain it then.
Explain
A
it.
lot of pro traders in the
How
com.
should I know?
Don't explain it again. Just don't.
How
Don't
should I
explain.
know whether that's sensitive, bro?
Just took 6 to 7 losses today. Damn, man. Crazy. Is Z not live? He should be coming back in soon. He should be coming back in soon. Give him a sec. GC always goes up. Yeah, it finds like this level of support and it just keeps bouncing off of it over and over, right? That's why. Guys, for the ones that are on TikTok, please swap to YouTube. It's a lot better there. You get to see the full screen. And I'm also looking at the comments a little bit more than I am on TikTok. So please feel free to be there. About 6, 7, you know. What is your YT? It's the link is in my bio for it. Literally, Turbo Trades. That's the name. Turbo Trades. The idea is I get to 1K followers on YouTube, and then we literally can do a giveaway tonight. Literally, I will literally say it in front of you guys, like, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get the giveaway done. Let me see. We are at, let me see how many YouTube subscribers right now. We are at 840. So literally 840 subs right now. We're not too far off of it, yo. We're pretty close to it. So 5 minutes. 5 minutes is crazy. I'm in with 3, not 5. I'm in with 3. The GC push is insane. Yeah, man. But again, like if we break high a day, what's gonna happen is that we will just find support at a certain level, and gold will just do this random knife up. It's just gonna knife up, come down, knife up, come down. So it's just gonna be too choppy for me to even trade it for the rest of the night. So I do want to see a bearish move down. That's the next ideal thing that I want to see. It's just like a big bearish displacement to come down to this demand, sorry, and then from there bounce back up. That's the idea. But if it stops me out here above high day again, we get that break right now, then yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm here, my guy. Welcome in. Just subbed, bro. Thank you. Coming from TikTok. Welcome in. Back to break even. If you guys want to exit the position, feel free. I'm personally literally just holding the position. If you guys want to exit, please feel free to exit. Personally holding the position, I'm okay with the loss. Where are you from in Iraq? Baghdad, man. Interesting question. Let's see. Just now I was backing you up when some TikToker was calling you. Bro, they always like, that's the thing. When people call you that, they obviously are saying that for a reason. Because, you know, they're you know, don't gotta say too much. That's it.
Not muted. Do you know who Kilo Trade?
This is peak performance. Maybe, man, maybe. How often you live? Every day during Asia, I am live on TikTok and YT moving forward. And for Discord, I'm live during New York. What the fuck?
Coley trades? Oh, it's a Kilo trade or what?
It's just ripping. Yeah, but you see, like, it's not moving up in a direction as in, like, it's actually moving up, right? It's kind of just spikes. That's what we get, and I hate that. Genuinely, like, I'm not into that, right? I'm just not into trading that. So if it stops me out here, I'd just rather step away to take my losing day than just keep trading this. I would just rather step away. Either way, one way or another, a payout is being requested. One way or another.
I don't like the concept. I don't like ICT. His concepts, I don't have a problem.
Are you a full-time trader? Yes.
I don't believe in his concepts.
All right, give me 1 second.
15 minutes inside.
Yeah, if it breaks the 2 up, I'm out, Z. Literally, the moment it breaks the 2 up, I'm out.
It's edging. Stop loss for me right now.
Yeah, me too. Literally came a tick away from it.
Same.
Yeah. If it closes me out on this, then I'm done for the day, personally. I'm not going to be trading. Crazy for trading all-time high on a short. I mean, again, if it's like breaking all-time high and it's actually pushing up in a way that's actually pushing, right? Then awesome, right? That's perfect. I would take that as a long continuation. But if it's just like choppy spikes, I don't like that. I just genuinely don't like that. I'm not into that. If it's like move, yeah, absolutely with you. But if it's just like chop, 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 like break, come back down, chop, 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 I'm just not into trading that. Turbo, do you like? Bro. Alright, there it goes. Broke the highs again. You know what's crazy? Down 2,000 and the account is not blown. Doesn't that tell you something? A little some. Max capital and top step. I have about $5,000, $6,000 buffer on this account. Oh god, do I have a fucking... Oh man. Gold on BS, yeah. What the hell does GC want? Just give it a sec. Yeah. Yeah. Are you demo account or real account? This is a Top Step funded account. Watch that carpet start going into UTP. I mean, it is what it is, bro. I'm not in a rush. I'm not really worried about it no more. If I do take a position, it'll be like an overnight swing, and I'll post it on Discord, but I won't take any more positions right now. Just because we're getting that spike. So we're not even having direction when we're moving up. Instead, it's just spikes. So I don't think I like that. Like, I'm okay. I think it wants to make more liquidity. We're on prop firms, man. You can't have liquidity on prop firms, bro. You're on a prop firm. Poor market conditions, yeah. It's just kind of spike, push down, consolidate. Spike, push down, consolidate. I fucking hate that, man. Genuinely hate that, but yeah. Not willing to risk more profits. Are you done for the day? Yeah, two losing trades, one winning trade for me. Done. Not willing to take more positions at the moment. If I do take anything, then it will be an overnight swing. I'll post it, but not here right now. Not everyone is on a prop firm. That's the liquidity they want. Do you genuinely, Scott? Do you genuinely think a hedge fund with trillions and millions of dollars being pumped into the market, okay, gives a flying fuck about your $500 account? Like, oh my god, the level of confidence people have. Bro, do you think a hedge fund? Mark is hunting my stop loss. No, they're not, bro. They do not give a fuck about your stop loss, bro. There is liquidity, bro. I'm not saying there isn't liquidity, right? That's just a term. We call it levels of reclaim. We used to call it that. And then, liquidity. But liquidity, right? Institutions don't give a flying shit about an account that has $500, $600, $1,000. Majority of the motherfuckers that trade on a live account have, let's just say, averaging $100,000. They're moving the market. They have millions of dollars plummeted into the market. Do you genuinely think they give a fuck about your 5 NQ contracts or 3 NQ contracts? They do not care. They do not care. The prop firms do not care about your money. Right? Parker moves the market. Yeah, bro, he's goated. I've seen him bottom ticking, top ticking moves. I just seen a video of a dude saying that. It's true. It's true. Prop firms are not, you know, no. Shorts look good? Nah, I'm not taking more positions, man. I'm okay, bro. No way. That's it. I'm not giving it any more tries. Now, right now, maybe an overnight position, just not now. Just not now. Market is chopped. Pretty much. That's why I'm saying I'm not giving it any more shots right now. I will give a overnight position try, but just not yet. We'll have to wait and see. Is overnight holding risky? No, not really. Not really. Alrighty, guys. Closing up for the day. I am going to go ahead and close up for the day. I'll see you guys back on tomorrow during Asia again, or during New York for anybody that's in the Discord. Take care, everybody. See you guys soon. Just wait for NYC. Maybe, but we'll have to see. If there's an overnight position that I could take, I would love to take it. So we'll have to wait and see. Depends. If the market conditions, if there's something, a good setup, valid enough for me to see that I want to take out longs and maybe shorts or whatever, then I'll take it for an overnight. But for now, take care, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next stream tomorrow.